The strip clubs are closed, but I got my stripper hair for my birthday. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Chrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling good. Y'all wanna know why? It's my birthday! Yay! Happy birthday to me. 420 in the house. What y'all know about 420? Alright y'all, so today I have a review on this birthday hair right here. Okay? If you want to know the specs on her, stay tuned. But you wanna put your name on it. And it's not even my birthday. And he tryna put his name on it. Wanna put your name on it. Put your name on it. Come and put your name on it. Okay guys, so I am back. Do you like her? Shout out to the Hearts and Cake 90. I first saw this unit on her channel and I said I need this hair for my birthday, and this is birthday hair right here. I am reviewing the Bobbi Boss Glueless HD Lace Wig in the style Miss Camille, and I have the color 3T BK.ABLD. So this is the color on the stock card, and I saw this color and I was like, I absolutely need this color. At first when I opened up the pack, I was like, oh child, what you do? But the strip clubs are closed, but I got my stripper hair for my birthday. This basically is a 13 by 4 lace unit. It is HD transparent lace. It says that it's a customized plucked hairline. I went in and I tweezed a little bit more just to kind of get it to look a little bit more natural looking. But I feel like you probably don't need to tweeze the front. There's some baby hairs on here. There's also that like security in the back to secure her, to make her glueless. As far as glueless, I've already said it before in a couple Bobbi Boss units. I don't feel like they're glueless. I actually just went in and I secured right here and like right here, but the sides are up. Like, I don't have the sides down, y'all. I don't have the sides. You know, we all know it's my birthday and I'm just going to sit on the couch. So I ain't secure her all the way down. But she actually feels pretty good as far as coming down. She can come down a little bit more on the hairline, but it feels, the cap feels good, but I wish the lace was a little bit more to pull it down on my hairline on the sides, but it's workable. So you can just put like some bobby pins on the side and kind of glue her down. I went in and did like this flipped like look for the side here, but she has a lot of nice parting space. Let me show you guys what the parting space is looking like. You see, you can part her in so many ways. I'm not going to maneuver this hair too much because one of the cons is she does tangle. You see, she goes to the side. You can put her in the middle. You can do a lot to this wig, okay? But I'm not going to move it all over the place because let's go ahead and talk about the cons. All right, so this hair is very, very pretty. All right, guys? So this is what she's looking like in the front. And then the back, she's actually much longer. Ooh, y'all like my birthday shirt? It's my birthday. Ah! All right, so in the back, this is what she's looking like. She is, woo, coming down to my butt, y'all. Okay, all right now. So this hair is very, very big. This hair, it's weird. It's like, this hair feels good. It's very soft. The curl pattern is very, very pretty. Nice curl waves going on, just very effortless. I went in with a little bit of baby hairs here, but it's just giving that whole like kind of this is my natural hair and I just dyed it kind of vibes. But she does she tangles, okay? She is tangling. It's cool though, it works. I feel like sometimes with curlier units, when they start to get a little bit older and messier, they kind of look a little bit more realistic and natural. So it works, but this unit absolutely will tangle on you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So she's a look. She absolutely is a look, but it's synthetic and it's gonna tangle. As far as shedding goes, I am getting a few strands coming out. She is shedding on me. She's actually shedding on me pretty bad. She's shedding, y'all. She's shedding. I did go in and tint that lace in the front here with my Even Tint Spray. Shout out to Nizzy Playhouse too, because I did secure her in the front with my bedhead spray, and I've been using this for a while. But Nizzy is the first one that told me about this, and I was like, okay. So I actually think I like this bedhead spray. I just put a little bit of my Lotta Body on the hair and a little bit of serum on the hair, but this hair is getting bigger and bigger as I'm kind of moving it around. But y'all, this hair is really pretty. I kind of wish I got it in a natural color as opposed to this color, because this color is kind of like, you know, special occasion kind of hair, trying to make a statement kind of hair as far as the color goes. But she works. She's very pretty. Y'all, my earring's falling off. She is big. She is very big. She's gonna get bigger on you, okay? And with these synthetic units, that's just how it works. That's how it goes. You get synthetic, that's what you pay for. She is a little bit higher in the synthetic price range. She is, depending on the site, ranging from anywhere from like 62 to about 70. So keep that in mind. But she's a look. Am I happy I got her? Yes, I am. Over time, I probably will go in and start trimming her up because she's very long, and with this length and these curls, it's gonna start, it's already doing it to me. It's gonna start tangling up. So I'll probably start chopping her up a little bit. She's very pretty, y'all. She's a look. She's a look. Did I get my look done? Yes. I got what I needed for my birthday. Okay. All right, guys. So I have a surprise for you guys. So it's my birthday, and did I make it to my 1K? No. But according to Mama Dell and Picky Dell, I don't know if you know those channels, check them out. I was watching their live the other night. They had like a game show live. And Picky Dell was over there on a roll. He was acting up. But he said something that he was joking, but I took it serious, you know. He was like, sometimes you don't get what you need and it's pending. So as far as my 1K, did I get it? No, I didn't get it yet, but it's still pending, okay? So for my birthday, what I need you to do, go ahead, tell your friends, your brother, sister, cousin, auntie about this channel. Make sure they subscribe. And also, too, I was going to go on a shopping spree, y'all. But I decided to take some of the money and give it to you guys. So I know some people are getting stimulus checks like last week. They're still getting them. Some people aren't. And luckily I am fortunate enough where I'm still working and I'm very blessed. I know I've been doing a lot of giveaways lately, y'all, but I really feel like I want to do another giveaway. Yay! Birthday party! So this is not, it's not that big, but basically I'm giving 5 people just a small little something. You need to have a Venmo, you need to have a Cash App, and I'm giving away, you could buy lunch, buy gas for your car, something. It's basically like a $20 giveaway for 5 random people. You need to be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you want to participate in this giveaway, give me a birthday cake emoji and that money tongue sticking out if you want to be entered in this giveaway, and you are entered, and that's it. This giveaway will end next Monday. I will announce it on Tuesday who my winners are, and that's pretty much it. Don't y'all worry though. We getting close though. We're getting close to 1K. We're not quite there yet, but I am getting close. I'm feeling very hopeful. I'm very grateful for all of you guys that have been rocking with me, supporting me through this journey. And let's have a party! Yes, it's party time. Until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.